Good morning, children. Today, the last poem. Be thankful. Our poem is Be thankful. To whom we have to say? Okay? Actually, thanks and please, these are the polite words in our daily life. We have to say. Okay, ma? We have to learn all the good words. But here, be thankful. To whom we have to say. So, one by one, be careful and listen careful and understand and follow it. Okay? Be thankful that you don't already have everything you desire. Desire means our wish. Be thankful that you don't already have everything. What you had already, everything you desire. If you did, what would there be to look forward to? If you have everything, what you are going to look forward, to whom you are looking forward. Already you had everything what you wish. Okay, next one. Be thankful when you don't know something. Be thankful. Be thankful when you don't know something. The something, if you don't know, you have to say thanks to that. You should not feel I don't know anything, I don't know anything, I don't know anything, no hither and walking hither and there, no wanting, no need. What you don't know something, you have to say thanks to that. Then what is the result here? For when you say thanks to something, it gives you the opportunity to learn. When you don't know something, you have to say thanks. Then you are going to get the opportunity. What you don't know something, you are going to learn. Opportunity means a chance, or you are getting a turn, you are getting the chance to learn what is the something. Why? Because you said thanks to something. So when you don't know something, you should not feel, you have to say thanks. Then automatically you are going to get a chance to learn something. Then third one, be thankful for the difficult times. When you have the hard time, when you have the dangerous time, Hare, I only got what these people are very happy, I only got, God gave me this punishment. No need to feel like that. When you are having the difficult and hard time, you have to say thanks to that. Why? Because when you are in the difficulties, when you feel happy, when you say thanks to difficulty, then only you go to pray with a strong desire. Otherwise, when you get everything, you never think about the prayer. You never come to the God. Why? Because you know everything. You have everything. No need to think about that and this. You get everything. So, my dear student, when you are in difficulties, no need to go hither and there. No need to tell to hither and there. No need to ask. No need to go anywhere. When you have difficulties, you have to say thanks to that. Then only from the difficulties, what you are going to know. During those times, you grow. When you accustomed with the difficulties, definitely you know, because you tasted the difficulty, you tasted the hard one, you tasted the dangerous one, then you grow, you're growing in easy manner. Okay, ma'am. So when you are feeling something, no need to feel, you have to say, from that we'll get something. Okay, so when you are feeling difficulty, no need to feel anything. From that difficulty, you are growing. When we accustomed with that, so those who are the rich people, they don't know what is the misery and what is the sympathy. Nothing. They'll feel very difficulty. But we ourselves, feel happy. Why? Because from the difficulties we are learning, we are growing. We tasted the difficulty and we tasted the good problems also. So, my dear student, when you are in difficulties, no need to feel bad. Then third one, be thankful for your limitations. Be thankful for your limitations, because when you say thanks to your limitations, this is mine, I don't want to go beyond that. This is your limit. When you feel, when you say thanks to limitations, what we learn from the limitations, you give you opportunities for improvement. From the limitations, you are going to get the improvement. From the limitations, you are going to get the limitations. When parents are asking not to go, not to talk, not to wander, not to go out in the night, when you feel like this, definitely you will get the good answer, good lesson also. So those who don't go beyond your limitations, when you go beyond your limitations, definitely you will face the problem. So here, when you say thanks to the limitations, you are going to get from that improvement. Okay, ma'am? Then be thankful for each new challenge. You have to say thanks to new challenge. This is my challenge. Definitely I will do. When you get that new ideas, when you get the new challenges, from the new challenges, what you'll get? They will teach you valuable lessons. Valuable lessons. When you are throwing, when you are neglecting, you don't learn anything. When you are saying your new challenges, when you say thanks to new challenges, definitely you get a new lesson, a new valuable lessons. Then whatever, whoever elders will say anything, when they are giving the instruction, or parents are giving the instruction, or your old grandparents are giving the instruction, you have to take it a challenge. You have to take it a challenge. Then you are going to get a new lesson. Be thankful. Be thankful for each new challenge, because it will build your strengthened character. You will get the new strengthened character. When you get the new challenge, you will get the new strength. Oh, I got the good strength. Now I have the, I can dare enough to go through that one. Like that, when you get the new challenge, when you say thanks to the new challenge, you are going to build your strength and your character. But don't spoil your character, ma. So one proverb is there: money lost, something lost. If character lost, everything lost. So you have to keep the character in proper manner. Wherever you go, you will be improving. You will get the strength. You will be raising your head. Okay. Then be thankful that when you tired and weary, when you are feeling tired, sometimes you are feeling very tired. Mummy, from 9:30 to for 5 o'clock, I was so busy, mummy. I was so tired. When you say thanks to tired, from the tired, what you are going to learn? Because it means you are made a different. You are thinking what is the difference between the tired. That is the taste of the tired. When you feel tired, definitely you will sleeping properly. When you are not feeling tired, you will get any result. Okay. So when you are feeling tired, you know the difference. It is easy to be thankful for the good things. A life of rich fulfillment comes to those who are also thankful for the setbacks. Setbacks means what are the what we send back, we have to say get it back. When you say thanks to the good thing, automatically you are going to say the thanks to the bad thing. What are the setbacks? So when you are saying the only bad, you never forget, you never remember the good. When you remember the good, definitely you will remember the bad. So when you some people are, they come from the poverty, they tasted the poverty and the rich. Those who come from the rich, they never come to the poverty. They don't know the life of the poor people. So here we have to say thanks to good things, then simultaneously we have to remember the bad things also. Last one, gratitude. Gratitude means being thankful for everything. We have to be gratitude. If your friend help you in need, you have to remember. You have to be great. You have to show your gratitude toward your friend. Okay, but don't neglect. Big gratitude can turn a negative into a positive. Gratitude gives the negative from positive. So always will be positive. You should not think anything in the negative mind. Whatever, first you think positively. No need to think the negative. Gratitude can turn a negative into positive. Find a way to be thankful for your trouble, and they can become your blessing. So when you say thanks to all, definitely you will be blessed one. When you're feeling, you won't be blessed one. So for all these, all the polite words, thanks and please, you have to cultivate these two in your life. Definitely whatever help you get from your friend, you be gratitude, you be thankful to your friend. Okay ma, you should not forget the help. Okay, you have to remember who helped you. You have to say thanks for all. From that you are learning everything. No need to afraid, no need to feel, no need to think anything. Always we will be happy, we always will be and what will say joyful mood. Then only we live in the earth in peaceful life. Okay ma, have you understood? Be thankful. Can you be like that? Have you going to be follow? You have to say thanks to your parents also. Okay, there's a good method, there's a good manners. Okay ma, okay, bye.